Today's recipe, Boeuf Bourguignon, a Bourgogne classic with tender meat, loads of red wine and plenty of good stuff.
This is all we're gonna use for today. Obviously some beef, and you see those little bits of fat, onion, garlic, bay leaf and thyme, some mushroom, celeriac, carrots, beef stock, pepper, salt, of course Pinot Noir, and some dark chocolate.
For the marinade, chop carrots, onions, celeriac diced, clove of garlic, add the meat, pour in the wine, and just wait for 4 hours. Slice your bacon into the pan on high heat. Separate the vegetables from the wine sauce. Put your meat with the bacon on a high heat for it to get some color, giving it a good stir. Add some flour for texture, this is called singé. Give it a stir. Add the vegetables. Mix everything well. Add the wine and add the beef stock. When it's on a high heat, when reaching boiling point, cover and let simmer for 4 hours. An hour before you're done, peel your mushroom, slice them, and on a high heat, have them slightly fry, and then you can flambe them with a bit of cognac. Sieve out the juices and then bring them back to a boil, adding some chocolate.
Dark chocolate. It's going to bring smoothness, richness to the sauce and keep that acidity down. It's going to be perfect, liaise everything at the end. It's going to be just wonderful in the plate. We're done. It's time to serve. You can use either the same wine or something even better. I would recommend going with a Chablis, which is one of my personal favorites, but you know, you just have to make your own choice. I hope you enjoyed this dish. I know I did. So did my friends.